So in this video I will show you how to extract your total running distance or any other value from your Strava profile page and use it in Google Sheets. So this is my profile page, and when I scroll down you see here my total running distance. This one is in Dutch, but of course you'll find it if you use Strava. So look it up in your athlete page. Here is the URL. So the idea was to import one of the values from this page into Google Sheets. So I started a new Google Sheet page, and it looks like this, and I wanted to let me see, I put the pointer here. I wanted to import information from the page, and I use the formula IMPORTXML. Of course I will give you all the formulas in the notes with this video, and you see here the URL stated from which I want to scrape off some information, as you see here, and I have to use something like this, /HTML/body/div. So that results in a couple of cells being filled with all kinds of information, which sometimes doesn't say much to me, but this one says, for instance, loading. Don't know why. Doesn't matter. In this cell, in F2, there is the information I need. When I double click it, you'll see all kinds of things like total running distance, all-time running distance, it's here, total number of runs, total number of elevation gain, etc., etc. But the value I need is here, and it's in between two pieces of data that don't change. So 2017 year-to-date running distance, it'll always be the same, and it always ends with km. And in between there is the value I need. So I found a formula, and I put it here, that extracts the value I need from a cell. So what it does, it's called a REGEXEXTRACT. Then it says in which cell I need to find the information, and then it looks up static information, then a wildcard between brackets dot and a star and km. So this is static, it's always the same, but the value I want to place in another cell, it's here. Well, when I use this formula, it does extract this value. In this case, you'll see 886.2, and here I see 886.2. Well, what can you do with that? All kinds of things, of course. So I have this other spreadsheet helping me to reach my goal to run 2017 kilometers this year. And in order to, this is not good, in order to import this value from my spreadsheet here, I use the formula IMPORTRANGE. IMPORTRANGE followed by the URL of the spreadsheet, and then followed by the tab and the cell reference. When you have that, this 886.2 value is placed here, and I can do all kinds of measurements. So I can calculate the average distance per day, average distance per week. I can calculate how much kilometers I still have to run this year, etc., etc. Of course, this is a lot of data, and it's not very nice to look at. So what I did is I made some diagrams like this and this and this, and I put that on a website, a Google site. So this Google site I use to look at my running distance and my history so far in running this year, and you'll see all kinds of information well, quite visually and nice to look at. So it helps me reaching my goal, but the most important thing, of course, in this video was how to extract this value of total running distance into a Google spreadsheet.